Hi, what's up YouTube? It's been a little while. We're here in 2018 now. Um, we just had a funny car get into the shop, and well, I wanted to show you guys what exactly happened. So it's an '04 Ford Ranger, and let's see here. The belts were just screaming. They were screaming like crazy, and typically what people do is they'll put belt dressing on, which never do that because it'll get all over the pulleys. You'll end up spending more money if you do decide to replace the belts, or if you do them yourself, you're going to be scraping all the pulleys for about 10-15 minutes to only still make more noise. But actually this one, we figured out that it wasn't the belt that was making the noise. It was the actual crankshaft dampener on the crank pulley. So for whatever reason on these, the pulley itself comes off of the dampener. So I don't know how this guy's truck was still running, but it came off and was making a hellacious noise, and the belt was still on, but it was just screaming. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what happened here. Let me switch it over. So let's get underneath it. You can see we took the belt off, and you can look down in here. Let's go from underneath. Let me see here. So we got this. See if I can even squeeze under here. So this is an interesting view. But you can see that the pulley fell off this dampener. So that is definitely going to make some noise. Like I said, I don't know how the belt was still on there, but it is not on there anymore. So if you ever have that problem, definitely check that out first. Get a flashlight, look underneath there, see if it's somehow staying on there. Like I said, I have no idea, but yeah, so that's the fix. Thanks guys. Like the video if you like this, if it's helpful to you, and click subscribe. Until next time, thanks guys.